Before we get into the video, check the description and join our daily giveaways.
Polygon is intended to be a scaling answer for the complex idea of blockchain networks. It plans to bind together and smooth out the procedure on blockchain networks, permitting them to work all the while, work on the speed and lessen time and expenses. The outrageous measure of traffic and clog on the activities of Ethereum have driven its decentralized application framework to turn out to be practically unusable, with low throughput and specialized misfires, which is what Polygon plans to address. Since its send-off, Polygon has drawn in 130 million clients, facilitated 3.4 billion exchanges, and aided the improvement of 20,000 applications. In this aid, we present Polygon's functions and elements, give its cost expectations in view of specialized and essential examination, and investigate whether it is a beneficial venture. What is Polygon, Matic? To forestall the stopping up of Ethereum's decentralized application frameworks and the increasing expenses related with said clog, Polygon is a Layer 2 organization that doesn't change Ethereum's blockchain in any capacity and, as a matter of fact, works at the same time as a layer. It works with various organizations, and has many purposes, subsequently the name Polygon a disentanglement instrument for the complex Ethereum blockchain. It addresses and forestalls the blockages liable to happen on the Ethereum blockchain given the information traffic, and is additionally furnished with better security frameworks. Matic is the unit of installment between members who utilize the Polygon organization, a marking it held as the computerized coin of the organization. Polygon, Matic, Technical Analysis. The Product Improvement Unit, SDK, of Polygon is intended to fabricate sidechains that can work in contact with the fundamental Ethereum blockchain. The primary chain that Polygon works on is a proof-of-stake, POS, sidechain where network clients can decide on overhauls and stake Matic tokens. The sidechains utilize versatility strategies, which are plasma chains, which combine exchanges into blocks and afterward collect them into a solitary accommodation on the Ethereum blockchain. Optimistic rollups, which can scale Ethereum brilliant agreements, ZK rollups which consolidate different exchanges into a solitary exchange. Polygon, Matic, Fundamental Analysis. Polygon was planned with explicit elements to battle specific issues with the Ethereum blockchain becoming superseded with information to make the exchanges less expensive and quicker. The sidechains are settled on the Ethereum main chain while the activities happen independently, at the same time, and are collectivized into the principal chain. The public sidechain is viable with various conventions. The highlights empower multi-chain exchanges at a lower cost, taking less time and empowering more clients on the organization to profit from a consistent UI. To act as scaling arrangements, Polygon has presented 4 plans. Polygon POS, which, right off the bat, saves costs, speeds up in its job as a Layer 2 arrangement. The Polygon Hermes scaling arrangement gives clients the choice to include their own elements, their own sidechain, which they can then absorb with the bigger blockchain. This is an extraordinary choice for clients needing to turn out to be more involved with their tasks. Ultimately, Polygon Nightfall is intended to bring down the think twice about protection and security on blockchains and centers principally around this area of exchange arrangements. It doesn't stop there with the advancement of Polygon, as other scaling arrangements are underway. Polygon Zero is an alternate scaling arrangement from other zero information scaling arrangements and has every one of the fundamental elements of a Layer 2 arrangement. Polygon Avail focuses off-chains and independent chains, while Polygon Miden is another Layer 2 scaling arrangement that utilizes the creating field of zero information to consolidate great many exchanges and decline information traffic along the ETH chain. Polygon, Matic, current price. Polygon is presently worth $0.800873. Matic has moved 0.83% as of now with an exchanging volume of $558,322,079. Polygon is presently positioned 13 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $6,708,789,629. Polygon, Matic, price prediction 2022. Polygon, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing digital currencies to rise this year. Matic. The Matic cost gauge for 2022 expects a huge expansion in the year's last part, potentially coming to $1.20. Similarly as with other digital currencies, the ascent will be slow, yet no extensive drops are normal. Averaging $1.12 in cost is very aggressive, however it is practical soon given expected joint efforts and headways. Matic is supposed to have a base worth of $0.961013. Polygon, Matic, price prediction 2023. In 2023, Polygon Matic cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the expected declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of Matic will before long outperform $2. In any case, we ought to hold on to check whether the Matic's general strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, Matic will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $1.60 and a typical exchanging cost of $1.76. Polygon, Matic, price prediction 2024. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $2.80 and Matic might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. Matic is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $2.56 and a low of $2.40 in 2024. Polygon, Matic, price prediction 2025. On the off chance that Polygon effectively helps market opinion among digital currency aficionados, the Matic coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Matic will be green in 2025. The Matic is supposed to reach and outperform its record-breaking high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual cash will be valued at $3.60, with a base cost of $3.20 and a typical cost of $3.36. Polygon, Matic, price prediction 2026. After some broad determining and specialized investigation, we gauge the Matic cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $4.16 by 2026, with a base cost of $4 anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, Matic has a greatest value worth of $4.40. Polygon, Matic, price prediction 2027. Because representing things to come, organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $4.97. On the off chance that Matic